how I decorated my son's Halloween birthday party. I have it themed too spooky, so it's really cute. If you guys would like to see what all I did, then please continue to watch. Okay guys, so for the centerpieces, I'm going to be using pumpkins, and this little do-it-yourself is super easy. I'm just going to get this, I'm going to use this white yarn, and I'm going to wrap it around, use my hot glue gun, and then I'm going to add these spiders to make it look like cobwebs. So I'm just going to start with hot gluing some of this yarn to the bottom. So I'm going to try to put some of this cobweb over top and just see how it looks, just to add more to it, but I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. Okay, so this is the finished product. I just kept layering the fake cobweb, the yarn, the spiders, just over and over until I came up with this. I really like the fake cobweb on top. It kind of holds it all together and it makes it look more eerie. So I think this turned out so cute, and it was super simple, super cheap. I bought the spiders in bulk for like, I think it was 100. I'm not sure how many, and it was super cheap. And then the yarn, of course, was super cheap. I just used one thing of yarn and then the pumpkin. Next, I'm going to use these pumpkins that I got off of Amazon. It's just a kit of small ones, medium-sized ones, and then these leaves. So I'm going to use that too for the party somehow. I also got these black pipe cleaners that I'm going to use as legs for the pumpkins. I'm going to turn these into spiders. I'm also going to be using these googly eyes that I got from the Dollar Tree. So these actually went in really well, so I don't even think I'm going to have to glue them. Okay, so I'm done making these little spiders. I ended up just adding the cobweb to these so it would tie in better with the big pumpkins. Alright, so I'm going to make a really large spider for his party, and I want the eyes to be a green color. I'll show you what his costume looks like. So I thought it'd be really cool for the huge spider I'm making to match his costume. So I bought these at the Dollar Tree. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out the back and then put the green in and hot glue it so I can make these green eyes. Alright, next I'm making these bowls into spiders. I'm doing a chili bar, so I want to lay out Fritos, jalapenos, crackers, cheese, sour cream. So I was trying to figure out how many I needed. So I think I need 5. But what I'm going to do is make legs out of these black straws and then use the little googly eyes on the edge to make them look like little spiders. Okay, so next I'm going to put these little gift bags together for the kids that will be at the party. So I got these gift bags with, of course, little spiders. I got these from the Dollar Tree. And most of the stuff is from the Dollar Tree or from Walmart that I'm going to put in there. But I just have some candies like that, put it here, and then I have some suckers with ghosts, pumpkins, Frankenstein, witch hats. I have these little spiders, little vampire teeth, slinkies, and sticker boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this right now. Alright guys, so next I'm going to be working on a balloon arch. So I got this kit, it was only like 12 bucks on Amazon, and it comes with these orange and black balloons and then some of these more clear ones. But I wanted to tie in, since I'm going to make the spider have green eyes, wanted to tie in the lime green color. So I'm just going to use this in place of some of the clear ones, I think. But one thing I also got from Amazon is this blow up tool. This is one of the manual ones that you pump, but it had some good reviews. So it looks like you're supposed to apply the balloons in every other hole on the tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be super simple. It's just gonna be very time consuming. But if you guys are going to blow up a ton of balloons, I highly recommend this little tool. It was really cheap, and this is going to save my lungs. So this is the finished product. I did this last night. I'm so happy I did it last night because it did take a while. I still have a bunch of these extra balloons here on the bottom, on the ground here. I don't know if I'm gonna use those or not. But now the question is how I'm gonna get this to the city hall where we're having his party. I didn't know if I should just walk it down. I'll probably get some stairs. So I ended up not using those clear ones, the marbly looking ones, and I just replaced it with these green ones, which I think look so cute. And then I added in some cobwebs, which I might add in more later. I just kind of put it on to see if I would like it, and I think I really love it. So this is what we're working with so far. So with the archways, I ended up moving them above the food here because it looked way too much on the wall with the spider, and it kind of took away from the spider. So I like it split up like this, and then I also took the cobwebs off. I thought the cobwebs looked nice. It just looked too, I don't know, too messy for me.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I would love for you to hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in my next video.